Rumors have recently surfaced, suggesting that Rihanna and Rocky's relationship may be facing significant turmoil behind the scenes. Allegedly, the couple, who have been together for several years and share 2 children, are on the verge of splitting, with whispers circulating that Rihanna is considering putting Rocky on child support. These rumors have gained traction as Rocky continues to navigate his ongoing legal case, which has reportedly added strain to their relationship. Sources close to the situation claim that the couple has been dealing with mounting pressures both personally and professionally, though neither Rihanna nor Rocky has publicly addressed these speculations. The alleged tension is said to stem from Rocky's legal troubles, which have reportedly caused friction between the two. While these claims remain unverified, insiders suggest that Rihanna is prioritizing stability for their children, which may explain the purported decision to pursue child support. It's important to note that these are merely rumors at this stage, and no concrete evidence has been presented to confirm the split or the child support claims. Fans of the couple have expressed concern, hoping that the allegations are unfounded and that the pair can work through their challenges.
I think the freedom in getting into an industry is probably going to be the easiest space you'll ever be in. Because once you start getting into the calculations and the logistics and the things you've learned, it gets a lot tougher because you have to think from a different space. At first, it's always free. You'll figure this out. Like even as a teenager in your early 20s, you're gonna feel very free. But then when you get older and you start to figure out other aspects, perspectives on life and business, things are going to get a lot more challenging.
Until an official statement is released, the situation remains shrouded in speculation, leaving the public to wonder about the true state of their relationship. The cameras are rolling, but he doesn't break stride. This is not just another court appearance. This is the first day of a felony assault trial that could change everything. Inside, jury selection is underway. The stakes, 24 years behind bars. The accusations, pulling a gun, firing it at a former friend. If found guilty, the Harlem-born rapper, known for his effortless, cool, and high-profile relationship with Rihanna, could spend more than 2 decades in prison. But today, Rocky isn't here to talk. He's here to fight. Hours later, the doors swing open. He steps out, flanked by his legal team, stone-faced as ever. The weight of what's at stake, immense. The next time he walks through these doors, he'll be facing the evidence, the witnesses, and a jury that will decide his fate. And then, a decision that shocks the courtroom. The prosecution offers a deal, a fraction of the time, a slap on the wrist compared to the alternative. Rocky's response? Not what anyone expected. No hesitation, no second guessing. Rocky rejects the deal. The courtroom falls silent as he delivers his response. I respectfully decline. Just like that, he turns down the prosecution's offer of 180 days in jail, a move that could either be bold or catastrophic. Here's what this means. If found guilty, he isn't looking at months behind bars. He's looking at decades, 24 years, a punishment that would erase nearly half his life, keeping him locked away until he's in his 60s. The magnitude of that decision isn't lost on anyone in the room. Why refuse the deal? Rocky and his legal team believe they can win. They argue the evidence isn't what it seems, that the story the prosecution is painting is full of cracks. But this isn't a rap beef, and it isn't a music video. This is the legal system, and one wrong move could cost him everything. Outside the courthouse, speculation runs wild. Did he just make the biggest mistake of his life, or is he holding out because he knows something we don't? Whatever the case, there's no turning back now, and the accusation at the center of it all, a gun, a friend, and a moment that could cost him everything. Rocky isn't backing down. Not now. Not ever. In front of the judge, he makes it crystal clear. He pleads not guilty. No admissions. No compromise. Just a firm stance that he did not commit the crime he's being accused of. The prosecution, however, tells a different story. They claim Rocky did more than just threaten his former friend, Relly. They say he pulled the trigger multiple times. In broad daylight. In Los Angeles. Over what? A personal dispute turned dangerous. But Rocky's defense is already at work, preparing to dismantle the case against him. They argue that the details don't add up, that the narrative being pushed isn't the full truth. And with the weight of his career, his freedom, and his family on the line, he's betting everything on this fight. As the courtroom buzzes with tension, one question looms over everyone. If he didn't do it, why does the prosecution sound so confident? Because they claim they have something that could turn the tide. Evidence, security footage, and a weapon they say proves he pulled the trigger. A moment of silence. Then, I respectfully decline. Rocky's words echo through the courtroom. The prosecution had offered him a way out, 180 days in jail, a fraction of what he's up against. But Rocky doesn't even flinch. He refuses. His decision isn't just bold, it's risky. A guilty verdict means 24 years behind bars. He could have taken the deal, served his time, and walked away with his life intact. Instead, he's rolling the dice, placing his fate in the hands of a jury. Why? His defense team insists the case isn't as solid as the prosecution makes it seem. They claim the weapon in question isn't what people think it is. They're confident they can dismantle the accusations and clear his name. But here's the problem. If they're wrong, there's no second chance. No going back to renegotiate. This is all or nothing. And at the center of it all, a gun, a former friend, and a shocking twist that could change everything. Rocky isn't just facing allegations. He's facing a bombshell accusation that could send him away for decades. The prosecution is clear. Rocky didn't just threaten his former friend Relly, he pulled a gun and fired multiple times. They say it happened in broad daylight on a Los Angeles street, a heated confrontation, a sudden escalation, and then gunshots. No one was hit, but that doesn't matter. Attempted assault with a firearm is enough to put Rocky behind bars for nearly a quarter of a century. The prosecution claims to have evidence, security footage, eyewitness testimony, and ballistic reports, all pointing to Rocky as the shooter. And standing at the heart of it, Relly, the former friend turned key witness. He's the one accusing Rocky of pulling the trigger, the one who says he feared for his life. But Rocky's team has a different version of events. They say this wasn't a real gun. They're arguing that what Relly saw, what the cameras may have captured, wasn't a deadly weapon at all. And if that's true, then the entire case against Rocky could crumble. But the only way to prove it is to go head to head with the prosecution's so-called evidence. Rocky's legal team isn't just fighting back. They're flipping the entire case on its head. The prosecution says Rocky pulled a semi-automatic weapon and fired. His defense, that so-called gun, wasn't even real. According to Rocky's lawyers, the firearm seen in the security footage was nothing more than a starter pistol, a prop gun. They argue that it was something he carried for security, not for violence. No real bullets, no real threat, just a misunderstanding that's now being blown into a full-blown felony trial. This changes everything. If the jury believes Rocky, the prosecution's case collapses. No real gun means no real crime. But here's the catch, proving it. The security footage may be grainy, eyewitness accounts may be conflicting, and the only person who truly knows what happened that day is Rocky himself. Meanwhile, Relly is standing by his story. He insists he saw a real gun, that shots were fired, and that he felt his life was in danger. The prosecution believes him. The defense says he's lying. Now it's up to the jury to decide. And as this legal battle intensifies, one question looms over everything. Will the evidence back up Rocky's claim, or is the prosecution about to pull out proof that could seal his fate? Through all the chaos, one name keeps coming up, Rihanna. The world wants to know, where does she stand? Will she be in the courtroom? Will she speak out? For now, Rocky's attorney clears up one major rumor. The couple is not legally married, but that doesn't mean she's staying silent. Insiders say Rihanna is standing by his side, and while she hasn't been seen in court yet, his lawyer hints that she will probably make an appearance. That's huge. Rihanna isn't just a pop star, she's a powerhouse, a billionaire, a mother to Rocky's 2 children. If she walks into that courtroom, the media frenzy will be unstoppable. But more than that, her presence would send a message. She believes in him. But does public support mean anything in the courtroom? Not at all. The jury won't be swayed by headlines or celebrity status. They're here for the facts. And the facts, they're still being debated. While Rocky fights for his freedom, fans can't help but wonder, will Rihanna's next public appearance be in court or in the studio? Because at the same time, rumors are swirling about something else, her long-awaited album. Adding to the speculation, some sources have alleged that the couple's dynamic has shifted significantly in recent months, with Rihanna reportedly focusing heavily on her businesses and motherhood, while Rocky's legal issues have allegedly taken a toll on their partnership. The rumors suggest that Rihanna, known for her fierce independence and business acumen, is unwilling to let personal matters disrupt the stability she has built for her family. This has allegedly led to discussions about formalizing financial arrangements, including child support, to ensure their children's children's needs are met regardless of the outcome of their relationship. However, it's crucial to emphasize that these claims are based on unnamed sources and have not been confirmed by either party. The alleged strain in their relationship has also sparked conversations among fans and media outlets about the challenges of maintaining a high-profile romance under constant public scrutiny. Rihanna and Rocky have long been celebrated as one of the most stylish and influential couples in the entertainment industry, often seen supporting each other at events and sharing glimpses of their family life on social media. However, the recent rumors have cast a shadow over their once seemingly unshakable bond. Some fans have expressed skepticism about the allegations, pointing out that the couple has faced rumors and challenges before and emerged stronger. Others, however, worry that, adding to the speculation, some sources have alleged that the couple's dynamic has shifted significantly in recent months, with Rihanna reportedly focusing heavily on her businesses and motherhood, while Rocky's legal issues have allegedly taken a toll on their partnership. The rumors suggest that Rihanna, known for her fierce independence and business acumen, is unwilling to let personal matters disrupt the stability she has built for her family. This has allegedly led to discussions about formalizing financial arrangements, including child support, to ensure their children's needs are met regardless of the outcome of their relationship. However, it's crucial to emphasize that these claims are based on unnamed sources and have not been confirmed by either party. The alleged strain in their relationship has also sparked conversations among fans and media outlets about the challenges of maintaining a high-profile romance under constant public scrutiny. Rihanna and Rocky have long been celebrated as one of the most stylish and influential couples in the entertainment industry, often seen supporting each other at events and sharing glimpses of their family life on social media. However, the recent rumors have cast a shadow over their once seemingly unshakable bond. Some fans have expressed skepticism about the allegations, pointing out that the couple has faced rumors and challenges before and emerged stronger. Others, however, worry that the combination of Rocky's legal battles and the pressures of fame may have created an insurmountable divide. In conclusion, the rumors surrounding Rihanna and Rocky's relationship have sparked widespread speculation, but it's important to approach these claims with caution. While unnamed sources have alleged that the couple is on the verge of splitting and that Rihanna may be considering child support as Rocky navigates his legal challenges, none of these reports have been confirmed by either party. The couple, who have always maintained a relatively private approach to their relationship, have yet to address the rumors publicly, leaving fans and media outlets to piece together fragments of information that may or may not be accurate. This silence has only amplified the mystery, with some interpreting it as a sign of trouble, while others believe it's simply their way of protecting their privacy during a difficult time. Thanks for diving in the deep end. Like, subscribe, and be on the lookout for more.